Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a cozy fall tablescape idea that's super easy to put together and budget friendly too. Okay guys, so I picked up this white tablecloth at the dollar store. It was about $5. And I have these cream colored napkins that I'll be using, and they are 18 inches by 18 inches. I also picked up these plaid placemats, guys, at the dollar store, and I couldn't believe how cute these were. They were $2.50 each, and they had them in different colors. Now I also have these plates, which are also from the dollar store, and they are not glass, they are a hard plastic, but definitely cute with the gold rim. And I have these that I will be using for the centerpiece. They are some type of hanging fall decor, but I'm going to use it for my centerpiece. I actually got these last season at the dollar store, but they still had them this year. I'm going to start by laying down my placemats. I really love these plaid placemats, guys, and it's such an easy way to add color and pattern without spending too much. The warm colors definitely gave my table that cozy fall feel. Next, I'll be adding my dinner plates with the gold trim to balance the pattern. And these plates, as I had mentioned, are not glass or china, but they are art plastic and definitely a cute dollar store find. These plates were also available with the silver trim as well. For the centerpiece, I kept it really simple by using these fall hanging decor. It was already pre-made, which makes putting together the centerpiece super easy because it had all the fall elements, which are pumpkins, pine cones, fall leaves, the berries, and I really love these. Now I'm going to be doing my napkin fold, and I'm going with the triple pocket napkin fold. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I did that. So this fold is great for holding the utensils, or you can always tuck a flower or stem in the pocket. So I have all my napkins folded, so I'm going to go ahead and add them to my plates. Next, I'll be adding the utensils to the pockets that were made from the napkin. And I just think that it's cute and it gives a different look than the traditional look of adding your utensils to the side of the plate. I'm just adding these flowers to add to the decor. You can use other colors as well that goes along with your theme. I'm adding the finishing touches to my centerpiece by adding these gold candlesticks and these cream colored candles. And I think the gold accents are definitely elevating the look. That's how it turned out, guys. Once everything is in place, the table feels so warm and festive, perfect for Thanksgiving or any fall gathering. You don't need to spend a lot to make your table look beautiful this season. A few dollar store finds and some creativity can go a long way. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.